There are currently 9 AVCS base CDs. However, it is unlikely that users will need to install all of the CDs in order to load their licensed ENCs. Reference to the Schedule A can avoid the unnecessary loading of some CDs and save the user time. Start by inserting the first AVCS base CD into the appropriate drive. Once inserted, select Auto Load on the home screen. An attention message then appears to notify the process may take some time to complete. Click OK to continue. Another attention message will appear confirming the number of charts that can be installed. Click OK to continue. Please note, whenever charts are cancelled, they will automatically be removed from the system. When this happens, this will be communicated in the Error Warning Guidance window at the end of the installation. The AVCS media will be read and a progress bar will be displayed in the Install Chart Data window. Please note, this process can take some time to complete, even if the progress bar shows a completion rate of 100%. When the installation is complete, the Error Warning Guidance window confirming the installation will appear. Click Confirm to continue. To check the details of the data installation, click Show Detail in the Install Chart Data window. Click Finish to close. This process should be repeated until all required base CDs have been installed. Please note, make sure that all the required AVCS base CDs have been inserted and the import operations completed before installing the latest update CD. Updates cannot be applied unless the ENC base file is present in the system database.